Alright, last part of the story. I hope you still remember it. So after I became a champion, I decided to go back and do what with the snake? Yes, pick up the gun and go for the kill. That's right. Sorry the story took a violent turn, by the way, but no animals were harmed in the making of the story, okay? Now you tell me what happens next. I miss the snake and I end up hitting the door, which splits in two. Yes, two. I pull a Samson and this side to bring down the roof by pushing the pillar. That's right. But before I can do that, this mysterious guy appears. And what is he wearing? A hat. Perfect. Now you know all the basic consonants and the essential 6 vowels. Should we try putting them together? Here's your word for the day. This is go for the kill. Too close. Remember that? And then pillar, and a tree. Put them all together and you get coffee. That's right. That's Korean for coffee. See, now you can order coffee in Korea by reading the menu. All right, the next 3 words are probably the most mispronounced word in Korean. Here we go. It's a 3-letter word. It is kind of hard, but this one is the door split into 2, right? So 2. And then this one right here is the foot. Ooh. This one is nothing, so no sound. A tree, E. And then the door, D. And that's much better. You put them together and you get Teuida. That's right, Teuida. That's the name of our app. You have no idea how many people mispronounce our app. They call it Teuida, Teuida, but now you know it's Teuida. Okay, I feel like you really got a hang of this. How about we try something a little harder? Now, just to show you how intuitive Korean is, I'm gonna have you guess what this sounds like, okay? It's G as in gun, right? And you get And this one on the bottom is actually mouth. So you get M, and then J from jump, and You put them all together and you get 감자. 감자. As you can see, the consonant can also go on the bottom of the syllable. And this is called 받침 in Korean. Now, you don't have to know the word, but that simply means it's a support. And you read it a lot like you would read it in English as the ending sound. Now, let's try one last word for the day. This one might be a little complicated, but I think you can do it. Yeah, that one's a little hard, but I think you can make it. See, the man with the hat. Much better. That's the nose. N. You see the gun there. G. And here's the foot. This makes the sound, right? In romanization. And that is a rattlesnake. Makes the R or L sound. Put them together and you get Hangul. Hangul. Great! That's Hangul. Korean for, well, Hangul. The thing you just learned. Alright. This is it for now. There are some more variations of the letters we learned, but the essentials are out of the way. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it so far. And if you feel confident, maybe try turning off the romanization from now on. Also, please remember to leave your feedback. Was it easy, difficult, fun, boring? We want to see if this method actually works, and we are open to suggestions. See you soon, and happy Korean learning! Bye!